hello everyone. Good afternoon and good day to all of you guys. And for today's video is all about planting my 7 day. 7 day daw ang pangalan ng plants na to for 7 day plants. So I'm going to plant next to the road. Dito yung ginawa naming road going to the farm. And here is the yan yung backyard, yung sa likod ng hall. So para naman hindi plain dito, so I need to plant some trees here, plants whatever it is, para lang ma-avoid yung sakaling may truck dito, zenfall, or yung mga cannot avoid na aksidente. We have some trees next to the hall. So here we go. I'm going to make a hole to make to plant some trees, guys. So trying hard ang lola nyo. So here I've got one tree that I cultivated from there. So ang plano ko, I need to measure it at least dito my 1.5 yard from the pader. May pader na ilalagay dyan later kasi yung tubig pababa pag umulan. So we need to put a wall there and a small canal that the water goes down to the small river there. So para naman maganda itong ginagawa ko. Gagawa ako ng hole. Mahirap din palang magtanim, guys. Oh my god. Nagtanim na ako ng isang araw pero my cousins with me. Kaya medyo okay. Ngayon trying hard akong magtanim kasi nung sa inyo magtatanim ako, I'm going to plant some trees to avoid landslide, diba? Magla-landslide. I'm going to take all these things. Napak ko lang ito nung isang araw, nung isang week pala, yesterday dito sa itaas. Dinain siya para magandang taniman ng palay ba? Oh no, rice. Kasi no, hindi rice, corn. Mahirap din palang magtanim. So it's really hard to plant pala, guys. So if the vegetable this time is expensive, expected, guys, how about the labor, the plant, and so ito ang gawain ng lola nyo, magpa-plant ng trees para avoid landslide, avoid accident in the future. Yan, guys, may bato. Oh no, there is stone maybe, but let's see, guys. This is my job as a farmer, magtanim ng trees, diba? Mahirap din pala. Trying hard ang lola nyo. So here we keep digging pa more. Yes, so many soil to remove from this pot. So yes, pwede na sigurong ilagay ito yung I forgot to get my gloves. I always say to daddy, I keep saying, wear your gloves. Ako naman ang wala. So finally, I'm going to plant this one. Sana kasya sa hole niya. This tree. Look, dadan. Yes! Pwede rin pala dito. Ang ganda, super ganda. Look. So I think, yes, I put it that way. So lalagyan ko na ito. I don't know if this one will grow. Kasi this kind of farm soil is not, I don't know if this suitable for this. But we'll try. Kasi there's a root already. And last time, we planted this one with my hubby, my husband over there. But ngayon ginagamit na yung lupa doon. So we calculate. We remove this tree to be planted over here. Go straight to the hole there. I mean to the mini shed. Diba? So we need to put some, and I'm going to fed some some water to dig this one. Guys, I'm going to show you what I did for today. There you go. Ito ang paninim ko, guys. So ito, I did this one. So hope I give you some tips